Okay, so hi dear Leo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general no contact reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono. Masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Leo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you, what is happening right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening, honey. Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Watching you, stalking you, but keeping their emotions, their things to themselves and feeling stuck on you. This is someone, Leo, who is completely stuck on you. They're not able to move on. They're not able to come back. They're holding on to you, like clenching their fist on you, like, I'm never letting go of Leo out of my system. They're already gone out of my life, but they're going to like stay inside me. Very romantic, sounds very romantic, but not a very good energy where they are holding on to you for dear life and they feel they are stuck on you. They're stuck in this situation. They can't move on. They can't get back. But this person is trying their best to watch every move of yours from wherever they can, especially online, fake IDs, fake profiles, and everything. And they feel like they should just watch you from a distance. Okay, okay, they're stuck on you. This is somebody who's stuck on you and holding on to you and feel like there's nothing that they can do or change about the situation, but they can watch you from a distance. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. We have the Temperance, King of Cups, the Four of Wands. They want full on reconciliation, no middle, no friendship, nothing. They want full on reconciliation. Slowly but surely, they want to come to this point of commitment, marriage, long term partnership. They want to give you all of their love. They want to get all of your love. Okay? And they want this situation to go towards commitment, long term partnership, and or marriage kind of a deal. It's like they are very crystal, like this is a very crystal clear energy of slow and steady is going to win the race. So they want to make their way in back in your life very slowly but surely, and they want to make things go to the commitment kind of energy, stability, commitment, marriage, long term partnership. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 31st of March, Leo. Come on, come here. One day they're like, okay, I will connect with the Leo. Another day they're like, I can't. Then they're going to connect. Then they're going to make their mind, okay, let me connect with Leo, and they're like, I can't. So in this game of I should not, I should not, I should not, I don't see them coming towards you with full-fledged energy of, okay, let's do this. But I do see this person making some kind of move towards you where they will try to understand your energy towards them. Some kind of move. It can be a simple plain message. Then if it is possible, they might end up deleting that message. So basically they will try to poke you, right, in some way, to get some kind of reaction from your side. If you are going to give some kind of reaction from your side, they might open up with you more. If you are going to just let it be and not giving any kind of action or reaction from your side, then I don't think so that this person is also going to do anything about it. It's like just maybe testing the waters. They're so confused out of their mind. They will be like, okay, I should not, I should not, like writing a whole paragraph of message and then deleting it, just trying to call you and then not calling you, or maybe giving you a small missed call or something. But they basically, what I'm getting here is that they might end up doing something very small to get some kind of action or reaction from your side. If they're going to get it from your side, then they will continue. If not, I don't think so they're going to do anything about it. That kind of energy I'm getting from this person's side. For you, the guidance here is the 10 of cups. If you know this person, this energy, this thing is not good for you, Leo, don't waste your time, energy, or anything into this, in this energy, in this scenario, yo. Okay, and if you feel like this person, this situation still have the potential to become something really beautiful, really meaningful, that you always wanted, or maybe you guys were committed or married to each other at some point of time and you feel like bringing this marriage back to life or something, then you can put in the effort and energy in this direction from your side also, but with all of your heart and soul. If you choose to go in this direction with this person, give your 100%. If not, just leave it 100%. Don't be in the middle and do things that you know are not good for you or good for this connection in the long term. It's about you only. We're not talking about anybody else. I'm just worried about you and your energy. I don't care about the other person here because I don't know what they have done, right? So it's about me. Sorry, it's about you and your energies, huh? As a reader. As a reader, just otherwise, I don't have any problem with anybody, Baba. Come on. So this is Light Seers Tarot, but that I'm using. A lot of people ask me about this tarot deck. So Light Seers, its name is, okay. If you want to know about my spiritual journey from zero till this point, I will leave the link of the video in the comment section. You can check that out if you want to. It's really beautiful, and maybe you're going to get something that you want on your spiritual path. It's about Osho meditations, Osho Pune, and my own journey from zero till this point. Oh my God. Yeah. So thank you so much, honey. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.